hands, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times. We supervise the children so our story doesn't take any. Most people visit enchanted worlds who can pay to look. For those who go in person, let's just do a rabbit hole with a little pixie dust. Some wait magical or even menacing. But don't worry, even though it appears we're going through the jaws of Monstro the whale, we're actually being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land.
I was watching some YouTube videos.
If you thought Monstro was scary and left in the cave of the big bad wolf, he was constantly after the three little pigs who luckily live across the way of those three little houses. The one made of straw, the one made of sticks, and the one made of guaranteed wolf-proof brick. The story's about to take a strange turn around the corners of Queen and Miss Villa puts on Alice. Was on one golden afternoon. She chased her white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down into Wonderland. Of course, it just got curiouser and curiouser from there. Storybook Land is full of such fantastic places to inspire storytellers, like Let's Park, over which Peter Pan, John Wendy, and Michael Darling first would, and the little pink bells pixie dust to Neverland, where they would never ever have to grow up. And places like Agrabah, the city of mystery and enchantment, where street rat named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine, Marketplace and stole her heart. Even though they're from different worlds, with the power of love and the help of the genie, they were married, and to this day live in the Sultan's palace. It's in the magical place in Storybook Land where love shines like the twinkling lights in the archways above, the very same ones that Aladdin and Jasmine soared over, sideways and under, in their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. Good stories are full of love and light, but they have their dark places as well, like the enchanted cave of wonders. Its treasure is the curse which ought to be lifted by the genie of the lamp. Legend has it that whoever sets the genie free is granted 3 wishes, so let's make a wish and see if it comes true. What should we wish for?
Yeah, I see the tree too up there. Look at all the
Snow White wished for a safe place when she fled the evil queen and came upon the cozy forest cottage on the right. It's the home of the 7 dwarfs. You might still hear them whistling while they work. Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her wicked stepmother pervaded and left her behind in that blue chateau on the left. Her fairy godmother granted that wish when she didn't leave by midnight or go straight back into a pumpkin, and it's up there on the bridge. Now, even though magic has its limits, thankfully love does not. So now Cinderella lives with her prince in that castle at the top.
I don't want to lie. And I was like, are you okay? I feel bad making you about that. Is that because you have to get out of that? No. He makes me turn into a drink. He didn't want to go on that. And I was like, I don't know if I'm being a bad parent by making him try it, or...
Dreams can come true. Dreams of happily ever after. Or dreams that drifting off to sleep on hills and floating flowers. Like those on the left, inspired by the name of Tracy Phillips, Liberty Station, all about land, along with a bedtime story to show them the way. There's magic all over Storybook. Maybe with the miniature glass will never grow up thanks to the enchantment of Tinkerbell. And that's just one of the many things that made this place the favorite of Walt Disney and continues to inspire new stories. Stories like The Wind in the Willows with Mo, Rat, and Mr. Toad in their stately manner on the left. But you won't find J. Thaddeus Toad over in his motor car having a wild ride to nowhere in particular. And beyond that, the Kingdom of Arendelle, with its castle on the bay, Duke Wessel's and Chip and Anchor, and Elsa's ice palace rising above the snow-covered mountains, where sisters Anna and Elsa met their frozen friends Olaf, Kristoff, and Sven, and discovered something even stronger than Elsa's magic, the power of love. Well, guys, everyone has to be seated, please. Everyone has to be seated, please. Thank you. It was while in that out hunt doing the head with Carver Geppetto wished upon a star for his puppet to become a real boy. After Pinocchio rescued him from the belly of a whale, the blue fairy granted that wish. Geppetto's wish is like wishes in other fairy tales, like the one that led a little mermaid named Ariel to follow Prince Eric to that castle on the right, to inspire her to leave her world under the sea, take her first steps on unsteady legs, and fulfill her dream of becoming a part of our love for her. Hers is a story which began under the shadow of her father, King Triton, in the underwater city of Atlantic on the left, and spills into other adventures which ultimately end in, like all good stories, happily ever after. And now as we get closer to that, please make sure your arms and hands and fingers are inside the boat. Once we reach our stop, what I'll do is make it count to 3. We'll get everyone to stand in the middle of the boat for balance, so no one has to go under the sea. And before we stand,